Hi guys, so this is milestone 1. We have finally reached the milestone 1. We have implemented a lot of things in our game engine for Space Invaders. So let's start with the basics things that we have added to our game engine first. We have implemented a PCS tree. PCS tree is kind of a tree data structure, but it has the linked list kind of movement in there where you start with a root and you go to the child, and then they have siblings, and then siblings might have child. The node is here. The node holds the data for the next sibling and the child. We have added aliens factory that helps us manage all the aliens in hierarchy and create aliens as well. This is a grid where we create a whole grid altogether for all the aliens. These are all the 3 types of alien that we have. That's crab, octopus, and squid. We have updated our animation function so that we can actually use animation as well as movement together in synchronization. We have added game object as well. It holds reference to all kind of game objects. And then there's a manager that helps us to manage all the game objects, and we have the game object node here. Other than that, almost everything is similar. We still have our sprite batch. We have done some improvements in the sprite batches. Let's start with our game engine. So these are not, we're not really gonna use it anymore since we are using find function, so that we don't have to hold all the references. So we're starting with creating all the managers, setting up all the images that we need, and setting all the 3 sprites. We're adding 3 different batches. So we start with creating a PCS tree, and we add that tree to the factory where we create 1 batch of the aliens. Then we set a tree and it creates a new PCS node as a root node. Then we create a grid which has hierarchy in there, and we set it as a parent in our tree here. And then we use a for loop to create all the different factories that has 5 different tribes. Once we create it, it automatically adds to the PCS tree itself. Here are all our 3 animations, and we are attaching all the images to the animation, and we are setting up the event. This event is gonna help us see our when we are gonna actually swapping the functions. And then everything is similar where it's running the updates and it is doing the movement and everything. Let's start with that. So here we can see our aliens moving. Every time it moves, it changes the image and swaps. It feels like an animation. What we are doing here is once it hits the actual screen size, it will move down and change the direction of their movements, and this is gonna keep on going. This is what we are gonna achieve in the end for our game. And once it does that, alright, there we go. Alright, and that's all for now. We're gonna add a lot of collisions and player movements and everything, soon as well, so stay tuned. Thank you.